सर्व सद्गुण संपन्ना गीता भक्ति परायणा भवितुं जीवनेऽस्माकं जागृता बालका वयम् उत्थाने राष्ट्रधर्मस्य विज्ञानदृष्टिमाशिता विवेकानन्दमार्गेण वयं सर्वे समर्पिताः।
This house belongs to the most laziest person in this village, Pyara Singh, who has a son named Prem Singh, and Prem Singh also has a son named Love Singh. Well, there is a generation gap between them, but in terms of laziness, all three are the same. They only do two things very well. One is eating, and the other is sleeping.
Asking both of you for the last time. Are you getting up or should I pour water?
Go to sleep, Dad. She will not put water on us. And if she puts, we don't have to take bath.
You shut up. Because of you, all the beds will get wet. And that also I'll have to dry. And that too alone. Because you and father won't help me. Get up. Come, get up. Come on, get up.
Babuji, are you going to get up or should I call Maji?
The sun is so high on your head and you guys are still sleeping?
Hey Kaushalya, I was sleeping so peacefully. You spoiled everything.
He is the one who have spoiled both of them. He is the culprit and the king of laziness.
Haria is not to be seen.
He has taken 2-3 days holidays.
Holiday? Why?
Why? Servants can't take holidays.
Not at all.
What?
I mean, they can't take. Okay, yes, they can. Okay, listen to me. Please, can you give me the newspaper?
It's kept there only. Get up and take it. Can't you see or what? I'm doing something.
Now I will get up from here. I will go over there and then pick the newspaper. And again, I will come over here and sit. So, please.
Oh God. You are such a lazy man.
Hey.
Come on. Come on, stand here properly. If you don't do 10 namaskars properly today, then I will punish you. Understood?
Hey, Sia. Can you give me the newspaper, please?
Yeah, sure, Babuji. Start your exercise, okay? Here you go, Babuji.
Could you just please keep this also? Kaushalya.
Whoever will take your side today, firstly, he will have to do 100 up and down as a punishment. That also make you sit on his shoulders.
If you see scientifically, Surya Namaskar itself is a full body exercise that makes the body flexible and agile. Only if the person who is doing it does it wholeheartedly. If you will do Surya Namaskar, your body will stay fit, but it also removes toxin elements from your body. Your positive energy increases and negative energy automatically goes away. That is why many experts say that this is the one of the best exercise in the whole world. History shows that every great person of the world gets up early in the morning. The thing which keeps human body healthy and active are mostly 60 hormones and enzymes that are produced in the morning between 4 a.m. till 7 a.m. And if you are sleeping at this time, then less amount of hormones and enzymes will release. That's why in the body of a lazy person, energy means transmission of power is not created properly. So a person who sleeps late loses everything.
Sia, hurry up. What a lazy boy. Can't even catch his book in his hand.
Here you go.
Give it to me.
Maji,
Hmm?
are we making aloo ki sabzi today? Babuji doesn't like to eat aloo ki sabzi at all.
Sia, no problem. I will eat with lentils.
Lentil got over 2 days back. If you're hungry, eat whatever is cooked. Otherwise, go to market and get lentils and vegetables.
Maji, you are also too much. Instead of eating aloo ki sabzi, Babuji can go to the market and get his favorite lentils and vegetables. Right, Babuji?
Oh dear. Who said that I don't like aloo ki sabzi? Huh? I love aloo ki sabzi very much. And your mother-in-law has made aloo ki sabzi with so much love. So definitely I will eat. Am I right? And a sack of aloo lying around will rot away. Huh? So make aloo ki sabzi every day. Sweet potato, spicy potato, cumin potato. Go ahead. And Sia, do you know that eating potatoes gives strength to humans? Yes.
Yes, of course. You all are going to climb mountains after eating potatoes.
Maji, our plan failed miserably.
These lazy people won't improve so fast. Do one thing. Go and ask Prem if he will get goods from the market. By the way, where is Prem?
I had told him to dry the mattress on the terrace.
Go, have a look and come.
Okay. Where has he tried the mattress? Can't find the mattress or even him. I had sent you to dry the mattress, no?
I thought of drying it and getting it back for you, so that you don't have to keep coming now and then. I'll just keep it and come.
Wow. How they're pretending to pray to save themselves from work. If both of you are done sleeping, then come and eat food.
Come.
Okay, listen. I just met Ramesh. He said that the thieves again stole 3 bags of wheat. Do one thing. Both of you, after eating lunch, go straight to the field.
Kaushalya, we have lot of grains with us. It doesn't matter if 3-4 sacks of wheat are stolen from us. In fact, this much is eaten by the birds in the fields.
Because of this attitude of yours, our land of Amapur was taken away. People have captured it.
Babuji, if we keep check on our goods, then people will fear you. You have given all your responsibility to your servants. Today they have taken 1 or 2. Tomorrow they will take more.
Hey, so what? 5 to 10 sacks, they will take more. Hey, maximum, they will take 100 sacks. But they won't steal the whole field, right? You know, because of such attitude, even the kings lost their properties. Karmat king himself used to stand with a sword in his hand, not just giving weapons to his soldiers and telling them to go and win. It is our responsibility to save our own house.
Okay, fine, Kaushalya. I will do something, okay? And now, can we eat food? Huh? Come on, start.
Mom, the salt is very less.
I put all the salt that we had. If you want some more, then go to the market and get the new packet.
I will not go to the market. Why should I go when the elders are around?
Hey son, it's good to eat less salt. Doctor also says our blood pressure remains normal.
Yes, from tomorrow when no salt is put, the pressure will be normal for lifetime. As it is, you guys don't work at all. So in order to pump blood in your lazy veins, heart has to work hard. If you work hard, then blood pressure will increase. Never mind. Stop eating salt. Automatically, it will become normal.
Isn't the salt less?
No. As it is, I prefer eating less salt. It's nice.
But I don't want to eat. Just get it from anywhere.
Sister-in-law, Mom has sent buttermilk. Please take it.
Hey, listen. You are Brid's son, right?
Yes?
Bridge told me that you run very fast and you came first in the whole district.
Yes, uncle. And you know I can go around the whole village before you finish eating your food.
Oh, is it? Sure.
Yes, I can show you.
Take this. Take this 20 rupee note
Okay.
and get 1 packet of salt from the market. That's how we will come to know that you went to the market, right? Now go.
Now that you are done, at least go to the field now.
It's very sunny outside. I will go tomorrow.
Yes, Mom. Dad is right.
Come on, let's go and rest for some time. Come on.
Yes, let's go.
Laziness and our diet has a deep relationship. Whatever we eat, we get energy from that. And in order to get the right amount of energy that runs the body, we should take a balanced, nutritious, and quick digestible good diet. Balanced diet will keep your body in balance. And along with this, it will keep your body's internal system fully recharged. And it will also increase your confidence by removing dullness, nervousness, and lethargicness. According to Ayurveda, sun controls our entire metabolism. And this is the reason we should follow sun clock. And we should eat less amount of solid food after sunset because our digestive process becomes slow after sunset. And the food we eat after the sunset increase the laziness in our body. In short, if you follow the proper diet, you won't feel lazy and you will feel energetic. And it will also increase the activeness in your brain and in your body.
If Babuji could have used his hands and legs more, the way he uses his brains, we would have been in a better position today. If he doesn't want to, at least guide his son and grandson. All the three are useless.
We have tried all the possible ways. But these guys don't want to do anything.
They do. They sit and eat and sleep comfortably the whole day.
If they keep sitting and eating like this, we will land on the road. Sometimes I think if we didn't have so much property, that would have been great. At least they would have gone out and worked. I fear these people will end up selling all the land, property and house.
Maji, I have made up my mind. From tomorrow, this will not happen.
What's going on in your mind?
Huh? It's already so late. And these women have not come yet to bother us? Huh? Or maybe they're still sleeping like us downstairs. Let me see. Kaushalya? Kaushalya? Sia? Kaushalya? Hey? Kaushalya? Sia? Kaushalya? Hey, can you hear me? Prem? Prem? Hey, love! Please get up! Prem? Love? Hey, get up! Hey, both the ladies of the house are missing! Now this is the only way. Get up! Hey, get up! Your mothers are missing! And both of you are sleeping peacefully? Huh?
They must have gone somewhere here in the neighborhood.
Hey, look! Look at this. Come on, look at my watch. Take a look. What's the time? Huh? Has it ever... Come here. Has it ever happened till date? Hey, one of them always comes and wakes us up till we don't get up. And listen, our neighbors have never been so important for them. Do you understand? Come on, get up and search for your mothers. Go!
Should we search? This is not right, father. Our mothers mean something to you as well. Let's all go together.
Why? Are we attending a wedding to go together? Hey? And are you both not worried about them? Okay. Come on. Come on, let's all of us go. Come on. We'll go together. Come on. Hup. Wait. You don't need to go and ask the neighbors that have you seen our mothers? All of them are just waiting to laugh at us. Very smartly, you have to ask cleverly. Okay? Got it? Now let's go.
Where are they going? These lazy men.
All three of you out together? Is everything all right?
Yes, of course. Everything is fine. Actually, since we were sitting at home, our body got stiff. So we were thinking of going for a walk. And brother, since all of you are with us, everything will be fine. Am I right? So, can we take your leave?
Yeah.
Come on. Okay, bye.
Okay.
Since we are together, all the neighbors will check on us. Come on. What an idea. Let's do one thing. You go that side and you go this side. I will go over there. Okay?
Okay.
Let's go. Hey, did you see Kaushalya or Sia?
No, I didn't.
No?
Hello, brother, listen. Did you see my mother or Sia around?
No, I've not seen.
Uncle, did you see my mother or granny?
No, I didn't.
Okay.
Have you seen Kaushalya or Sia?
Hello, dear. Have you seen my mother or Sia around?
No.
No?
Found them?
No.
And you?
No.
Where are they gone?
Grandpa. Look. He has gone around the whole village.
Okay.
He must definitely know where mom and grandma are.
Is it?
Yes.
Hey, wait! Hey, stop! Hey, stop! Wait! Please wait! Hey, stop! Hey, stop! Stop! Hey, please wait! Okay. Now just tell me that have you seen your auntie or have you seen Sia?
Yes, I saw them.
And where did you see them?
Right over here.
Then where are they gone?
How would I know?
Hey, when did you see them?
I saw them in the morning.
Okay. In which direction have they gone? Just tell me.
Right in front.
You mean over there?
No.
Hey, you just said that they went in that direction.
Morning I was pointing in that direction.
You mean this direction?
Yes.
Huh? Okay. So now why don't you just get lost from here? Come on.
They should be here somewhere. Why can't we find them?
Now I don't have the strength. Whether we find them or no, I'm really hungry. I need food, Grandpa.
Shut up. One tight slap and you'll be done with your hunger.
But if I feel hungry, I will tell you that I feel hungry.
Least bothered about your grandma or your mother. Just bothered about food.
Why don't you bang your heads together?
Oh my God. Careful.
Hey brother, why? Huh? Hey, why are you playing hopscotch in the afternoon? It's good that we caught you. Otherwise, you would have been flat on the ground. Anyway, you don't seem to be in good condition. Then why don't you just rest at home?
If I work hard, then there is pleasure in eating bread too. And respect is always seen in the eyes of my family members. You are business people and would be knowing this already.
Yes. Yes.
Thank you.
Well done, Sia. Now, before it starts raining, let's finish the work. Come fast, we will put in this.
Okay.
Daddy. Look there.
Maji?
Hey, Kaushalya! Kaushalya!
Careful.
Kaushalya? Are you fine, Kaushalya? And just tell me, what are you both doing in the fields in this heat?
We are trying to save our land. Crops are ready. It has been cut and now has to be stored in the godown. Despite me and Sia, nobody has the guts to cut even one handful of wheat.
Babuji, the three of you don't worry. We will come home soon. Then cook the food. But if it starts to rain, all the crops will be destroyed. Please give us some time, Babuji.
Come on, Sia. Let's do it.
Hey, give me a hand.
Sia, come on.
Carefully.
Sia, tomorrow we will cook early in the morning
Okay.
so that they don't have to come so far to look for us. Let's go, Sia.
Please forgive me, Mother. When I am around, you and Sia had to come to the field to work. I could never become the son that you desired me to be. Neither a good husband. Please forgive me, Mother. Please
It's
forgive
not your fault, son. Kaushalya, you are absolutely right. I am responsible for all this. I am the one who has sown the seeds of laziness in both of them. My son and my grandson are both walking on my footsteps. I am the one who needs to apologize to both of you. I am called the head of the family, and I could not show them the right path. And how could I show them? I just couldn't show them because I was the one who was always walking on the wrong path. I not only spoiled my son, but also spoiled my grandson. But today I promise both of you that you will never, I promise both of you that you will never have to work in the fields again. That's a promise. Love, beta. Why don't you take your mother and grandmother home?
Mom, Grandma, even I promise you that from tomorrow onwards I will get up before sunrise and also do Surya Namaskar.
And son, never allow laziness to dominate you.
Yes, Grandpa.
Now we will come home in the evening to have food once all the work is done. Okay?
Let's go.
And love, listen. Tell your grandma that while coming home in the evening, I will get lentils and vegetables. I don't want to have potatoes. I don't like potatoes.
So did you see? Like Vyakti Singh, Prem and Love, everyone can conquer laziness very easily. Because laziness is nothing more than the weakness of our heart and our mind. And science call it heart's fat or mental fat. It is necessary to remove from the heart. Because laziness of brain is worse than the laziness of our body. And if a man doesn't follow that, then laziness can take away many things from your life which are important. Even your own people. Because for an active person, it is not easy to tolerate a lazy person's lifestyle. So don't be a nuisance for someone. Rather, be his or her partner. This life, this body is very important. So don't let laziness ruin it. Energize your inner thoughts and the body will automatically become more energetic.